Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel and you guys are watching the Guitar channel. First of all, thank you guys for your love and support. In this vlog, I have some surprising news for you all guys. So recently, after coming back from hometown, then I did my internship, then I completed 1 month. I completed my internship and I'm proud of it. I don't know जैसे तैसे करके मैंने कंप्लीट किया अपना इंटर्नशिप and then after that I decided to quit my internship. So अब मेरा internship को हम छोड़ रहा है. So I have so many reasons, so I'm gonna tell you later. So today my this gonna be ये blog on that base भी होगा कि I will go back to my hotel and I'm gonna say goodbye to all my chefs. जो मेरा like I used to work in K3 Asian, so I used to work in Asian, तो वहाँ मेरा chef लोग हैं, so I'm gonna say goodbye to everyone. They were really kind to me and they were really good to me. वो बहुत अच्छा से treat किया. Honestly, I have nothing to do with them. So firstly, I'm gonna go and take some. So I just took my shower and I done my fresh up. So now I'm gonna apply my skincare and for now I'm gonna charge my phone cause I have to go and in my phone there is my battery. So I'm gonna meet you after dressing or like after getting ready and after that I will cook my breakfast and then I will have it. Then after that I'm gonna meet you. So keep watching and just don't mind me because I have to go, so I have to charge my phone. So bye bye.
그냥 밥 먹기 싫어. 밥 먹다 자꾸만 목 맥혀. 나 그냥 여기 살면 진짜 안 돼? 진짜로? 식구가 6인데 왜 맨날 5개만 샀습니까?
생선파나 수백 번이야.
Guys, so welcome back. So I already ate my breakfast and I done my skincare and I already got ready too. So now I'm leaving. So now it's time is 12 p.m. So because I say I'm going late today, I have to go and visit. So I will go there and I'm not gonna work. I will go and I will say goodbye to them. So that's all. So that's why I'm going late. So I'm gonna show you what I am wearing and going. I'm wearing and going. So it's very sunny outside, so I'm wearing full sleeve and this pen because it's very comfortable to wear. So and cap because it's sunny. Oh god, it's too sunny. Hey guys, so now I'm going. So आगे हम निकला था, then I went back क्योंकि बहुत गर्म था तो उसका कारण. So now its time is 3:30 p.m. So now I'm going. So guys, so every time I used to go like this. So from here I had to cross that road. So it's still very sunny. So now its time is 4 p.m. but still so sunny. So you can see there is Holiday Inn. So in a Holiday Inn, so Akriti and Pedro and there is one another girl from our institute used to work there. very sunny. So I reach JW. So यहाँ से one turn you will find JW. JW. So I reached. तो गेट नंबर 5 में से एंट्री होता है जो सब सेफ लुका I don't know. So in back there is hotel JW. तो अभी हम पर्स या से गेट नंबर 5 से ID कार्ड का मदद से फिर हम घुसेगा. So I'm not gonna film it क्योंकि अंदर में फ़ोन यूज़ करना अलाउड नहीं है. So जो हो गया and here is my ID card. So here is entry. So we will go from here straight and then we're gonna turn left and then फिर वहाँ चेकिंग होगा. जो हमारा एंट्री होता है फिर एंट्री then we have to go this side. So यहाँ से लिफ्ट जाता है फर्स्ट फ्लोर. तो सबसे आगे हम जाके यूनिफॉर्म लेगा. बिना यूनिफॉर्म तो ऊपर जाना अलाउड नहीं. एंड हियर इज आवर कैफेटेरिया जहाँ वो होता है. सो यहाँ है हम यहाँ से यूनिफॉर्म कलेक्ट करेंगे. आई गॉट माई सो आई हैव ड्रेस. हम ड्रेस पहन लिया सबको. तो फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम जब हम जाने का दिन है तो आई गॉट द माई परफेक्ट पिट वाला लॉन्ग पेंट मिला. सो फ्रॉम हियर जहाँ हम लिफ्ट दिखाया था वहाँ जाके फिर फर्स्ट फ्लोर जाएगा लाइक बेसमेंट वहाँ जाके. सो दिस इज बेसमेंट एंड देन फर्स्ट फ्लोर. या फ्रॉम देयर सो आई एम गोना गेट हेड. सो वहाँ हमको कैप मिलेगा. सो अभी मेरे बैग को हम जहाँ से हम कपड़ा लिया तो हम वहाँ रख के आएंगे. Get my bag over there. So now I'm going up. So अभी हम ऊपर जाएगा. So to meet myself. So here is my head. तो अभी हम मेरा कैप को पहनेगा and then I'm gonna meet you. So from here main kitchen के बाद from this door. So यहाँ से फ़ोन यूज़ करना अलाउड नहीं है. It's a no phone zone. So I'm not gonna use phone now. अभी घुसने का साथ हम फ़ोन यूज़ करना अलाउड नहीं होगा. So now I'm gonna show you the best set. So here is pretty set. Say hi. So she is coming first time in my vlog, and this gonna be my last time. So today I'm fighting, bro.
Best of luck.
Yeah. One of the best set. So ये बहुत अच्छे हैं. Yes. And there are three. Ankit set, Asim set, and Pretty set. Both 14. So I'm gonna show rest of them later. For now, I'm gonna keep it. Guys, so here is another set, Ankit set. Best
Hi
set.
guys. Best? No, not the best.
No, just best for me, not for others. Like ये 3 set हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा, वो भी Chinese cuisine में. So this is one of them, and here is one of them. और just I'm making vlog right now क्योंकि आज मेरा लास्ट दिन है तो इसलिए. तो यहाँ ब्लॉगिंग करना अलाउड नहीं है. तो ये है आसिम से. तो ये 3 मेरा फेवरेट है. ये होटल में लाइक होटल में वो मीन्स चाइनीज़ का सेक्शन में वो सबसे अच्छा लगा. तो हम यूजुअली नहीं बना रहे क्योंकि आज मेरा लास्ट दिन है. हाँ ये है. सिर्फ आपका नाम बता दो. आकाश से. एंड दिस इज शुभम से. And this is Asim set. Last time I saw you guys. And then there is Sandeep sir. आपका नाम बोलो.
किसका मेरा? मेरा संदीप चौधरी.
Sandeep Chaudhary. And this is Jimsang sir.
Jimsang sir?
Yeah.
DCDB?
Yeah.
JW married.
Yeah, JW. They are enjoying. Hey. Yeah, Asim sir. Last time I saw you.
Chase. Let's go.
ठीक है. बाय बाय। तो यह है हमारा सेफ गोविंद से।
हाँ हेलो हाय गाइस।
हाँ
इसने ड्रॉप कर दिया यार, चेक करते करते यार कैसा बंदा है, पता नहीं क्या क्या चल रहा है इसके दिमाग में।
ठीक है।
बीमार हो गया थोड़ा सा। क्या हो गया था?
ऐसे बीमार हो गया और पेरेंट्स भी आ जाओ बोल रहे। हाय गाइस, सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग बैक। सो अभी सबको गुड बाय बोल के तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं। तो अभी हम मेन किचन में हैं। Hi guys, so I came to meet HR. So I'm at her office right now. So I have to submit some more things. So hi guys, so please tell your name.
Anjane.
Anjani. Yeah. So first time जब हम लोग यहाँ rejoining ज्वाइन किया था तो ये साथ में था। We both from Kalneri.
Yeah, culinary section.
And now so he is gonna continue and I'm gonna leave.
I'm asking him to still join the what do you say, industrial training, but he said he want to leave. I cannot force anyone, so it's his choice.
So bye.
Bye.
So now I'm going up and collect this. Hi guys, so this is our head chef and she is from Thailand. Chef,
Hello. Ma. Bye bye.
Bye bye. So she is our head chef. So she is from Thailand. So now I got signature and now I will get down and I will have to collect more signature and then I'm gonna submit to HR. So guys, now I'm gonna change my clothes. उसके बाद तो हमको सबमिट करना है, फिर उसके बाद तो हमको सिग्नेचर मिलेगा. सो टाइम टू से गुड बाय. I'm not gonna wear this anymore. So last time. So hi guys, so I have left 3 more. So अभी जाके फिर हमको कलेक्ट करके उसके बाद so I'm gonna go to so lengthy process. So I have to get now signature from this one. 2 more signature left. So now I'm waiting here to get signature. So HR and managers, the training managers are having meeting. So it's been almost half an hour. So I'm waiting here. I'm feeling so hungry and I'm feeling so exhausted. This morning I just had bread and egg. So now after that I didn't eat anything. So now I'm feeling hungry and my stomach started hurting. I don't know how long I have to wait. So I have to submit this. This is my ID card and this is my badge, like your name card. So but they wrote my name wrong. They wrote JC but it's supposed to be JC. तो फाइनली मैंने HR पे सिग्नेचर ले लिया और अभी लास्ट बचा इसको सबमिट करके फिर हम घर जाएगा. So I waited for 50 minutes. Now my signature has been completed. So now lastly I'm gonna submit to HR. So here is our HR. So, she is the best HR over here.
Thank you, teacher. You're very sweet.
Thank you, ma'am. Even though she is so sweet. So bye bye.
Bye bye.
So now my time is to leave. So and they said whenever you feel like coming back, you can come back. Just give her a message. So I will think and I will come back. So finally I'm leaving. So I can't believe myself. Finally I made decision. I don't know whether it's right decision to leave or not, but let's see. We can't predict our future, so let's hope for the best. And they say everything happened for a reason. I hope. Hi guys, so now I am going back. So अभी हम घर जा रहे हैं और I don't know, it's why I'm feeling so said, I can't believe myself, I'll quit my internship. So अभी हम डायरेक्ट जाएगा anywhere. In my phone there is not big battery नहीं, only 12%, so I won't be filming right now. So अभी डायरेक्ट जाके हम कुछ बना के खाएगा क्योंकि हमको बहुत भूख लग रहा है. जो सुबह में हम 2 ही ब्रेड खाए विद एग. So let's see. So keep watching till end. Hi guys, so I bought some fruits and now I'm going back. I'm too tired. Guys, so welcome back. So I just reached home and I'm so exhausted. So oh god, new people are coming out. So I'm gonna end my vlog right now. Now I will go and take shower and then I will cook and I'm gonna have my dinner. So that's all for today's vlog. I hope you guys really enjoy watching it. I tried to show everything but somehow I couldn't show everything, so forgive me for that. So मुझको माफ कर देना. So I said everyone, to all the chefs, not all the chefs, some of them, goodbye, except there is one वहाँ और एक chef था उमेश chef, but I couldn't meet her. So आज वो नहीं था तो उसका कारण, तो rest of them I said goodbye to everyone. So it's okay, it's fine. So that's all, and thank you guys for watching, and so please keep supporting me. So please do like, share and subscribe, and see you in next vlog. Bye bye.